Hi, I'm Austin. Welcome back to my shop. What you saw there was a quick little time lapse of a sign I'm making for my brother-in-law who has a little soap company. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and show you the settings that I use to make that actually on VCarve. So here you can see I went ahead and I did a hatch fill on all this at 2/100 of an inch step over. I used the engrave function, the quick engrave. As you can see there, um, it makes it pretty easy to do as far as actually engraving everything. As you can see, here's a finished sign. Ended up being 12 inches wide, 10 inches tall. I think it turned out pretty good. What I'll do is go ahead and put a round over on the edges of it and do a quick little oil finish on it, and it'll be ready to ship out. Just want to thank you for watching this video. If you're interested in what I'm doing here, go ahead and click like and subscribe. If you have any questions, definitely leave them down below. I'd love to answer your questions. If you have any suggestions, I encourage those as well. If you don't like this, please leave it down below and maybe we can address that in the future. But thanks for watching and have a great day.